Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this everyday, flawless, fresh and natural makeup tutorial for the new year of 2019. So first we're going to start off with some Carmex lip balm, and here I'm just using the original formula, and this is my all-time favorite lip balm. I've been using it for years, and we're just going to put that first thing so that sets in while we do the rest of our makeup. So next we're going to go in with this Pearlescence Rose Water Spray, and this is actually from my brother. He gave it to me because he doesn't use it, so I've decided to use it in this video, and honestly it smells so good and it leaves my skin feeling so fresh and nice. So this really gives a nice start to our makeup look. Then next we're going to go in with this CoverGirl Color Neutralizing Primer base, and we're just going to spot treat basically and put it wherever there are redness around my face. So that includes the sides of my nose, my chin, and a little bit under the eyes, mainly on the cheek. And we're just going to blend that out, and using the warmth of our fingers to really get that product in and blend it out really nicely. So I'm super excited for this new year, especially because so many things have changed. I just graduated nursing school like 3 weeks ago, and now I'm focusing on studying for the NCLEX and finding a job. But other than that, I spent Christmas with John in LA, and that was a really nice time. So I just can't wait to see what 2019 has in store for me, as well as you guys. Also, it's the year of the pig this year, so that's awesome. Next, we're going to go in with this NYX Honey Do Me Up, and this is just another primer or base, whatever you want to call it, just to really add to that glowy, dewy effect that I'm looking for, especially for a more fresh and natural makeup look. And then we're going to take the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Fiji. And this is my winter shade. And I actually love this foundation so much that I bought another bottle. My first one was the shade Sahel, and I bought that over the summer. And because I liked it so much, I decided to get one for my winter shade. And I just love this foundation because it does not dry my skin out, because it's not a mattifying foundation, and it just blends into the skin so well. It's kind of like your skin but better. As you can see, it just really brightens up the skin and evens out my skin tone, covers some redness and some dark circles, but not entirely. So it just really gives that really nice natural look to the skin. And then I'm just going to take a damp beauty blender and just blend it out even further. And this will really make a flawless look to the skin and just add that more dewiness and glowiness. And then we're going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this shade is a little bit dark for me. I think it's the light medium one. And I would like to get another one, but in a lighter shade. Because again, I bought this during the summer, so my skin has gotten really lighter, especially during the winter season. So we're just going to blend that all over, and I don't like to use a lot of this because it is really high coverage. As you can see the difference of how much brighter my skin is compared to the other side. So I really like this concealer, also because it's not mattifying. You might notice a pattern that mattifying products don't really work for me, especially during the season, because my skin gets so dry. I'm just so happy that my skin has not been acting up, and it's actually pretty well behaving right now. And I've been using a couple new products. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a updated night routine. I know I did one last year, I believe, but again, I do have some new products to show you guys, so if you guys want me to do that, I'd be more than happy to. Next, we're going to take this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Powder, and this is in the shade Golden Hour. And I haven't used this in a long time, but after using it recently, I noticed that it gives a really nice sheer look to the skin. It doesn't have glitter in it, but it's more of like a sheen, which really emphasizes the glowiness of the look. So after dusting lightly all over the face, I'm just going to take a little bit more powder and put that under the eye, since that's where I crease the most. And then we're going to take this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and we're going to go in with the peachy tones of the palette. And we're going to kind of go pretty heavy on the blush, at least heavier than normal, because I really want that nice, like basically fresh, wide awake look. And I feel like having a nice color to the cheeks really adds that effect. And then we're going to go in with this Becca Highlighter, and this is the liquid version of Opal, and this is very, very potent. So even one pump is way too much for just the high points of the cheek or even the face overall. So I just put that on the back of my hand and then gently pat the product on the high points of my face, such as the brow bone, my cheekbones, as well as the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. I will also add it to my Cupid's bow to really emphasize that part of my lips and to give that more plumping effect. And we're also going to add it on the inner corner of the eyes to really brighten up the eyes and make me look more wide awake. And for lashes, we're just going to go in with some mascara. So here I'm just using my Revlon eyelash curler, which is my all-time favorite. And then we're going to go in with the Maybelline Falsies mascara, and this is the waterproof mascara. And this is my all-time favorite, probably one of my holy grail products. I just love how long my lashes look and how thick they look. I mean, you can definitely see the difference between my right eye and my left eye. It's just amazing, an amazing mascara. I have a backup of this mascara. And the eyes are pretty much done. Like I said, super simple and fresh. And then we're going to go back in with the Pearlescence Rose Water Spray, and we're just going to freshen up the skin a bit and let all the products sink in, and as you can see, add that nice dewy finish. And to top it all off, we're going to go in with this Venti Gloss in the shade Fussy. And I just got this about a week and a half ago, but I can already tell it's going to be one of my top favorites. And honestly, I just love Venti glosses in general. But anyways, this guys completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And wherever you are, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!